Welcome back guys to another video on this channel. Today you are going to learn how you can connect your computer or your laptop to the fastest DNS server in this world. So many of you have heard about the Cisco Internet Agency server or a Google DNS server, but this server is exactly free and very private, or can be considered as a fastest DNS server by your configuration of your PC. So here how you can set up or how you can install this DNS server on your system. So first of all, you just go ahead to the start menu and just type control panel. So here's the control panel, and then go to the network and internet, then select network and sharing center and go to change data type setting. So here you just have to click on that network which are you using by your internet connection. Like if you are using your Ethernet, then you have to choose your Ethernet or even your Wi-Fi module. So I just use my Wi-Fi for my internet purpose, so I just configure to it. So click on that server DNS and go to property. Now here you can see this internet protocol version 4, or even if you are using internet protocol 6, then you can go to internet protocol 6. So I suggest you that you go with the internet protocol 4 because it is the most popular or the most wireless DNS server used by this configuration. So just double click on it, and there is you don't need to do anything on this side, but you go down and select this, use the following DNS server address, and then type 1111. That's it. It is a faster DNS server on your configuration for your laptop. And then type 1 for your backup, 1 0 0 and 1. Just it. Test is complete. Okay. Now you doesn't want to do anything over it. That is completely. So close it, and let's connect our computer with the internet. Let's go and connected it, and yes, I'm connected to my internet. It's just identifying, and after connected, just open it, restart your browser, and here you can see the fast or very good speed that you are getting from the internet or many other things. Like if you are searching for a website that let's see how much it takes. Yeah, it's good. It's taking a good while. Okay, if I choose Google News, then let me see how it goes to it. The loading page is better than I think, but this depends on your mobile internet speed also, how it can take to over you, and many more things. Like I want to go on the YouTube, so that's it. Let me go on to YouTube. So here it is load the very cautiously and privately. It is so good that okay, it's loading almost pretty, but in a while let's put it onto this.
Sometimes first impressions can be misleading.
Okay, let's go and search for an video update. Like okay, let's see. Let's see how much it takes to run. Okay, yeah, it's fast. It's much fast. My second video on this channel, customize your. Okay, many of you guys were heard about this. Wasn't available right. Let's see. Now 4.2 beta, and it's good. So here guys, it is the video on how you can connect or how you can install the fastest DNS server on your computer. You can check it out to the 1.1.1. Whatever it is. So go and then check it out for it, and you can go to the website also. There is all the instructions were given over it. And if you like my video, then do comment, like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching.